So I had a really good question come in from a client. We're working through some imbalances in muscle, and the question was this. So when we're talking about imbalances, it's actually quite a bit better to be balanced than it is to have a discrepancy, even if the discrepancy means that one side is quite a bit stronger. There's lots of reasons for that, but basically how we want to train that. So when you notice there's an imbalance from one muscle to the other, so we'll take calf muscles, left to right or right to left. If you know that one side is weaker, how we want to train that is we want to get you to the point where you can choose a variation of the exercise that you can perform on single side, so unilateral. You want to start the set with that weaker side, complete until the prescribed RPE, rate of perceived exertion, and then you want to match that on the stronger side, knowing that your strong side will be able to do more, but that way you're going to be able to catch up and work closer to that balance.